Hi everyone, so today's video topic is how to transfer all the data from your old phone to your new Samsung phone. So let's start the video. First, in your old phone, open settings. So click on settings app. After that, click on accounts and backup option. Click on it. Now in this smart switch option, click on bring data, or you will see option like transfer data. So click on it. After that, click on continue in smart switch, then click on more. Now you have to allow all the permissions. That's it. Now in your new phone, do the same thing. Go to settings first. So in your new phone, go to settings app, click on it, then click on the option accounts and backup. So click on this option. Now in this smart switch, click on transfer data option, click on it. Now click on continue, then click on more, then click on allow. That's it. Now again, in your old phone, you have to select the first option. This is the option we have to select, send from this phone. Click on this option. Make sure turn on Wi-Fi on both the phones. Okay, then click on wireless. Now in your new phone, select the second option, receive on this phone, then click on Android, then click on wireless. That's it. Now you have to scan the barcode with your old phone. So scan the barcode like this. Now that's it. This will search. Now you can see searching for data to transfer. Now in your second phone, you will see these three options. So you can transfer everything. Or you can select some data to transfer, or you can click on custom. So if I click on custom, you will see these kind of option, but in my case I will go for everything. So I will transfer every data to my new phone. So you can see started, the transfer has been started. I will fast forward this video, and now you can see, so the data has been transferred from my old Samsung phone to my new Samsung phone.